Welcome back to the Magrotech Boom Kit installation series. Now that we've checked our pressure and flow, it's time to unpack and inspect our parts. It's essential to only use the parts as instructed by Magrotech personnel. As a first step, always check all parts for any possible damage before initiating the installation. Unpack and lay out all parts on the table to ensure proper quantity, correct rod size, and the general condition. Each magnetic rod is packed separately in a plastic tube. Extra care should be taken when removing magnetic rods. Make sure there are no metal objects nearby to prevent the rods from attaching to each other. If they do attach, here's how you separate them. Use your thumbs to create a gap between the rods. Keep your fingers between them to prevent reattachment. Then, start turning the rods in opposite directions until they're separated. Remember, safety first. Wear appropriate safety gloves for a secure grip. The Magrotech magnetic rods come in various lengths and 2 different diameters, each with a female M6 thread at either end. They connect via a spacer with an M6 male thread. Once fully assembled, the rods reside within the original spray line. In some cases, stoppers are used to secure the rods in place. The Magrotech Boom Kit also uses multiple spacers to support the magnetic rod in the spray line. These spacers can be used in different sizes of spray lines, tubes, or box sections. In our next video, we'll continue unpacking parts and inspecting them, with a focus on Magrotech stoppers, because a successful installation starts with careful inspection.